We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine.
Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It is nighttime and I am so far behind. I've been busy at my computer all day. It's now 10 o'clock on a Saturday night and I need to color my hair, girl. I need to color my hair and I am not excited about it because my hair falls out a lot on a daily. And so sometimes when I color it, it doesn't fall out as much. And then sometimes when I color it, it won't fall out in the beginning, but it'll start falling out like after. So it's like literally falling out right now as we speak. It's the thing about aging and having hair that just falls out anytime, anywhere. So it's been in a bun all day. That's what, hence this part. But I had to comb through it first. And I have a sink full of hair right now, completely. Okay. So, now I'm gonna get all the hair. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a lot of hair. Now, my dermatologist told me that our hair, I guess, goes through like cycles. You know what I mean? Of like where we lose a lot of hair and then we'll stop. I'm taking vitamins most of the time. I mean, like I've missed a couple of days, but on the majority, I take vitamins every day. The only thing I don't take is biotin, which I guess I should. So my mother tells me. All right. So I usually use this. This seems to be the new thing. There you go. I don't have anything on my walls, I know, but we're getting ready to move now. But the next bathroom I have, I promise you, I'm going to have a character in my bathroom because I always intended on making this bathroom a mermaid bathroom, a vintage 50s mermaid bathroom, and I never did. Once we get moved, I think I might start buying this stuff for my bathroom like in April. Not this month, but in April. Okay, sorry, I keep moving that so I'm gonna get a pink towel. So it doesn't normally take a lot for me to do my own hair because my hair's so thin. So, you know what I mean? I don't have a clip. So, see, I'm gray all over. And so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to open it up. This is what I'm using. Black. Your girl's not that skilled, okay? Liza can do this stuff in her sleep because she's been doing it for so long. I do it, I just don't do it as often as I should. Now I'm putting this on here. And I think you're supposed to shake it, right? Yep. I'm not going to be able to use that towel. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hair now. Wash my hands. Make sure I don't have dye on anything. I need to get it off my ears and stuff. Let's see. If I get it on my face and stuff, I mean, it's okay because I already know how to get it off. I just feel like the back, I don't know. Okay, I'm getting dye everywhere. It's okay though. It's alright. I just have to get the olive oil after I'm done and get it all off and it'll be fine. done brown and stuff, but I don't really care for brown. It puts a red tint in my hair. So I've been trying to get that red tint out for a while when I did light brown last summer. It just put a lot of red tones in my hair, so I didn't care for that. Well, hopefully my ears won't be too black, so as soon as the timer goes off, I will come back and rinse it off, and then I'll come back to you and after it's all washed and everything. And that's the way we're starting tonight's vlog. Okay, so now I just blow dried it. I still have to go over my hairline though, because it's not like, it just doesn't look right. You know, I look really good. I'm really gonna fix it, but I will. So anyway, see, I have to go all around my hairline with the olive oil and get it all off, and then it should be fine. So anyway, what I was saying is, right now I'm going to edit my 3 vlogs for this week. So you are my 3rd vlog, if that makes sense. Hi. But it's Saturday night, so I have Monday's vlog done already. I just need to edit it, and then I have Wednesday's vlog I filmed today, which is Saturday, February 28th, and then now I'm filming for Sunday, which is next weekend. So this is a week before you see it. I find when you start a vlog channel, it's better to be ahead than behind, girl, because you know, you gotta stay consistent. This is sparkling ice, flavored water. I have the window cracked because it's beautiful outside, but it already is 11 o'clock and I should shut it pretty soon. I like the fresh air, but it is important for me to shut it, so I will do that. So I just finished a show called Victoria on Netflix. I've been like into period shows lately. I've been watching all kinds, like, girl, I can't even tell you how many shows I've watched in the last month. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And then I've been kind of taking an inventory of all the things that have come in for the office makeover, meaning that I have you on my desk facing like where the bedrooms are, but the opposite side of this room is how I'm going to do the office makeover. And it's really difficult because it's not a very big room at all, and I chose not to use bookshelves. So the only way to really transform the room is to change the curtains and just change the scenery in general. So when I film it, I have to I'm gonna mock it. My son's coming over to help me switch out some stuff in this room on Monday, which is this coming Monday. And then I'm gonna ask him the best angle to film the makeover. Like if I should do it over here in the corner, see this open space right here. And also if I move any furniture, I want to do it while he's here. So I just need to ask him what he thinks, just in terms of positioning the furniture. So that's my plan. And then when I start the makeover, I'm going to explain what I did. There is 3 more things though that I need to get in before I can finally do the makeover. I have all the major pieces that I wanted to use to do the makeover, but I need to switch out the wall art, and that's the last thing that I'm waiting for. But yeah, that's the last thing. So I want to have everything intact. I found that when you're doing decorating, you really should have everything you need before you kind of do. It's like you could do a makeover with, I'm using what I have, you know what I mean? You could do that, but because I have 3 portrait style posters on the wall already, I need to just make sure that I have new posters to put in there to go with the vibe of the room. So I'm going to order those right now as we speak. I just need 3 posters, that's all. And I think that's it. I don't think I'm going to change I was thinking about changing out my my coat hangers that are over here in the corner to match the vibe of the room, because everything I have in the coat hangers is dark and I need to switch it to light. So I'm kind of contemplating how I'm going to do that. I don't really have any jackets or anything to really go with the vibe, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. I would rather, I really want a vintage shop though. I want to go to the thrift stores and see if I can find what I'm looking for. The only thing is I like original vintage stuff, so I may just go on Facebook Marketplace and see if anybody's selling the kind of vibe that I'm looking for. Another thing I've been really seriously contemplating is if I want one of those, you know, those things that people seamstresses use, and they're like a mannequin with a, you know, and you can put a jacket on there. I'm seriously contemplating that, and I want to kind of put that on the other side of the coat hanger. So that's an idea I've been kind of playing with. I also have a lampshade that I'm waiting to come in. So I have a lot of stuff that I'm waiting for to do this makeover that I keep talking about, but I have to do it in March no matter what, because that's what I said I would do. So with that said, I'm going to edit now my vlogs, because by the time you see this one, the other 2 got to be done. So Okay, now that dinner's done, breakfast for dinner is always my go-to. What is your go-to when you don't feel like making a major meal? It was good. I was watching The Love Boat and kind of laughing at some of the episodes. I watch vintage TV all the time. So that is kind of what was entertaining me while I was eating dinner. But now I'm going to wash the dishes, as you can see, and I'm going to reorganize my cabinet for spring with the great mugs that I got from Home Goods. That full haul is on my shopping channel if you guys want to check it out. But I really like the mugs that I chose for spring. So let's go ahead and get that organized, and then we will go upstairs and wrap up today's vlog. Okay, and that is going to conclude today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to reorganize my cupboard for spring, and this is kind of the top of the counter of our coffee station. I'm considering bringing the espresso machine up in my office once I do the office makeover, but for now, this is what I came up with. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for just letting me share with you my evening. I'm really happy that you're here, and I hope that you like the way that I did the little coffee station here, and stay tuned for more details on the office makeover that's going to air on the main channel. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in the next one.